experiment we're gonna do today is baking soda and vinegar. And the ingredients are an empty bottle, some vinegar, some baking soda, and a balloon, and a tray so we won't make a mess. And to make it a little more fun, we're gonna use some food coloring, and I choose blue. And to make it more safe, we're going to use some gloves. And don't forget to ask adult supervision, or else something will not be right. Okay, so let's put the gloves on, and then we'll go to the side. Okay guys, now I have my gloves on. Now we have this empty bottle on the tray. Now we're going to take a little bit of vinegar and put it in the bottle. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now we're going to take the food coloring and have a little bit of help. We're going to take it. This tool to help us. Now let's pour it in. Okay, that's enough. 3 drops. Okay. I asked my dad to put the baking soda in this balloon. Now I'm gonna ask him again to put it on the bottle. Thanks. Okay. Now we're gonna put the baking soda in this bottle of vinegar with food color, and we're gonna see what will happen. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold this, hold this, hold this, hold this. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh my god. Guys, the balloon is filling up with gas. Okay guys, this is how I expected it to be. So this is what happens if you do this. This is the end of the experiment, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!